Is it safe to use a scaffold? One small slip from unsafe scaffolding can lead to serious injury or death. But unsafe setups are one of the top causes of construction site accidents. So in this video, what type is best to use and how to install them properly. Let's get started. First is the H-frame, or becao. This is commonly used for concrete works, exterior gypsum, or for formworks. We had an existing bamboo scaffold for the exterior painting. Don't wait for an accident to happen before you learn safety the hard way. Download our scaffolding safety checklist now. You may download the checklist through the link in the description box below. However, since the project is located in a busy street, we had a hard time securing the scaffold. Aside from that, we found out that there was no proper tying and bracing of the bamboo scaffold. So we decided to dismantle it and shift to tubular frames with base anchors instead. Although this caused delay in our painting works, it is much safer for our workers. Because of this, no one got injured, and the project was able to continue as planned. It is the most economical option, but it is also the most dangerous, if not handled properly. The other type is bamboo scaffolding. This is the cheapest type of scaffolding, but it is risky if not secured properly. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. As always, keep safe and healthy. See you next time. You can use it as a base for your paint or plastering works. Next is tubular pipe with couplers. This is the best type when it comes to safety, but it is also the most expensive. It is best used for concrete works, steel fixing, and other exterior works. The fourth type is ladder type scaffolding. This is commonly used for interior access for painting, electrical, or carpentry works. LL discuss everything you need to know about scaffolding safety from the types to the best practices in installing them. Sabahe mano malalaking building, safety depadang una. Scaffolding provides safe access to elevated areas for painting, plastering, masonry, roofing, and inspections. Hi, I'm your host. And in this video, we will talk about scaffolding. First, always install base jacks or firm footings. Make sure that the base is firm and level. Do not place it on soft ground or on an unstable surface. Second, secure all joints with clamps or couplers. This includes the base, the joints of the frame, and the braces. Always use standard couplers in connecting pipes. Third, use guardrails and toe boards. This is for you to avoid falling from height. The guardrail should be at least 1 meter or 3 feet from the working platform. Also, cover the open edges of the platform with a toe board. Fourth, regularly inspect the scaffold for rust, cracks, or loose parts. Before using the scaffold, make sure to check its condition. Fifth, do not overload the scaffold. The maximum load for a scaffold is 3 to 4 workers depending on the structure. Avoid overloading the scaffold with materials or with people. And 6, provide access ladders. Never jump or climb up the frame. Always use the access ladder to go up and down the scaffold. There are several types of scaffolding for houses. So what are the safety best practices when using a scaffold? Let me share with you a case that we had in one of our QC house projects. Now that you know the different types of scaffolding and the best practices in installing them, and that's it for today's video.